So if you are thinking about starting your own business, the question now is, why lawn maintenance business? Well, my experience has been in the green industry or the lawn maintenance industry, and that's why I tend to fall towards that. They say that to a carpenter, every problem is a nail. Well, there's truth to that. But there are some aspects of the lawn maintenance business that make it easy to start and easy to get going and make it systematic. I like lawn maintenance so much better than landscape construction because lawn maintenance can be systematized. You can make a whole system work, and it's just repeated over and over and over again. There's low startup costs. In fact, there are even ways of doing it with no money at all to start. You can just go out and start mowing people's lawns with their own lawnmower. And it can be built into a system that then can have employees and then can become a beautiful business, and you can walk away from it and it can still be making money for you. That is what's so beautiful about the lawn maintenance business. Now, it has its challenges, of course. One of the greatest challenges is that it's seasonal, and you have to figure out how am I going to deal with labor if it's a seasonal type situation. Now, some people have done all kinds of different things. If you live in the northern part of the United States, for example, or in Canada, then you would supplement it with snow plowing during the winter, and that would keep your season basically going all year round, keep your business going all year round. Other people I've heard about the seasonality, what they'll do is they'll do everything from cutting firewood and doing all kinds of different things. But another thing they can do is they can just shut the whole company down, which is what we have done both in Maryland and in Tennessee, is we shut down our companies, our lawn maintenance companies, and then we open them again when the springtime comes. So they're closed for about 3 to 4 months at a time. Some people have done that I've known of, and they become missionaries for that period of time. Other people decide to bike across America or bike down to South America or do things like that. So the lawn maintenance company lends itself very nicely to being able to just shut it down and have some time off. Now, you've worked like a crazy fool during the springtime and during the summer, but then you get your time off in a bunch, and that's helpful. There's a lot of advantages to creating a lawn maintenance company. And it's pretty cool because it can start very, very small and you can get extremely big. We have customers in our software that run lawn maintenance companies that are doing 20 and 30 and $40 million per year of business. Now that's a business, isn't it?